Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today also it is a continuation of CPT modifiers. So hereby we have created a playlist. So if you're watching the CPT modifiers for the first time, please do check the playlist so you'll get an idea regarding the remaining modifiers also. Okay, and then if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it interesting, please do share it with your friends also. And one more thing I have to add it very importantly here. I'm Dhanya Kamal. I'm a CPC certified trainer and I work as a training consultant for DV Sahasra Tech Solutions, Dubai, Kerala and Chennai. Okay. So let's enter into the video. Today's modifier is modifier 74. Modifier 74 in the sense discontinued procedure after the administration of anesthesia. In the previous video we have seen modifier 73 which is also like discontinued procedure prior to the administration of anesthesia. Here it is after the administration of anesthesia. Okay, so maybe after administering the anesthesia, if the patient is facing any sort of difficulties or if experiencing any sort of complications, the procedures cannot be continued. So in this case, after the administration of the anesthesia, the procedure might get cancelled. In this case, along with the cancelled procedure code, you have to add 74 modifier to indicate after the administration of the anesthesia, the procedure is being cancelled. So the procedure is not carried out, it is being cancelled. That's it. Okay, so hereby I have added a PPT. Please do have a view on it, and if you have any doubts, put it as a comment. Thank you so much.